Okay guys, just wanted to share with you what I think is a really neat tarp design. It's actually a 2-for-1. This would be your fair weather setup. And then I've got another setup that this turns into that's the half box, which would be your bad weather setup. The wind is blowing or the rain is coming in. The half box is a great setup. What I will say is first, what you want to do when you set up this type of configuration is you want to set it up in the half box first, then set it up into this final configuration. And the reason is because your guy lines will be a little bit different. As you can see here, the guy lines are a little bit off to the right, and the only reason that pole's leaning is because it's too tall. So that's not part of the design necessarily. When this one, which in this configuration is the middle, you can see the guy lines are off to the left, and that's because it needs to be that way in the half box. Now when you do the half box, you're going to remove this one and this one, which will drop the sides down. Now I'll come around here at the back, show you what it looks like. Again, since you're doing the half box setup first, you'll see that what's the center of this one, the guy lines are off to the right. That's because in the half box, that's kind of what you need. And this side's basically normal. So if the rain starts to get bad, again, this is your fair weather setup, the way it is right now. So really just kind of trying to keep the sun off your head. But if the weather gets bad, first, you take your grommet off of this side, drop it down, and I'll try to keep the camera as still as I can. This side, take it down. So now you can see you've got the back down. Then take out this back side. As you can see, we're starting to get the drape on that side. Take this one down. Boom goes the dynamite. You got yourself a wall. Alright, so come around. Let's take a look. There's your half box. So you've got 2 walls and a roof. That'll really help with rain and wind and that kind of thing. You can stake down the edges if it's really blowing hard, and also you can kind of see right there you've got some tarp left over. Come around here. Quite a bit actually. What you can do with that is tuck it up underneath and have it come out here kind of in the corner. You can't see because of that chair, but if you have it come out here in this corner, it'll come out maybe this far, something like that. You can put your gear there if you want to keep it dry. Anyway, there's plenty of room. It's about 6 feet tall, and just a good 2-for setup. Here we call that a value. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. And again, this is a Northwoods tarp that you get from Frost River. It's about 12 pounds, so this would be more of a base camp tarp.